Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, with the exterior of a really nice Sealine 290 from 1992. Swim platform, shore power, heating, twin diesel. Really nice canopy, as you can see. The boat is polished and gleaming. Really nice, tidy example of the 290. The sea inside is lovely as well. Boat's absolutely immaculate. Couple of age-related marks. You'd expect that on a 32-year-old boat, 31-year-old boat. She absolutely doesn't look her age. Electric anchor, windlass, controllable from the dolphin nose, step-through dolphin nose, also from the helm. Anchor locker, roof hatch. This one has the twin lights embedded in the hull. The forward spot lamps are lovely on these. As you can see, really tidy little boat. Quite hard to find them in this kind of condition. All original gel coat. Barely a scratch on the hull. I can see a tiny one on this side, but very much probably one of the better ones you're going to see. Great canopy, ready to go to sea. She's running river props at the moment, which means she'll max out at about 22. Single prop drives, Volvo Penta. If you put the bigger props on, which she would have had as standard, then she's going to be comfortably a 30 knot boat with a couple of 200 horsepower AD41s. If you'd like further information on this absolutely stunning Sealine 290, please don't hesitate to contact me, Steve Biggs at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.